Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup without tofu. First, gather your ingredients: dashi stock, your preferred miso paste, and a selection of quick-cooking vegetables like mushrooms, spinach, or scallions. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a delicious and comforting bowl of soup every time, perfect for a light meal or a flavorful side. Next, let's prepare the dashi, the heart of your miso soup. Gently simmer a piece of kombu in about 4 cups of water for 10 minutes, being careful not to boil it. Remove the kombu, then add a handful of bonito flakes and simmer for just 30 seconds. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to get a clear, aromatic dashi. This foundational broth is key to a rich, authentic flavor. Now it's time to add your vegetables and miso. Bring your dashi to a gentle simmer, then add your chosen vegetables. Cook them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes only a few minutes, depending on what you're using. While they cook, take a small amount of dashi from the pot and dissolve your miso paste in it. This prevents the miso from clumping and ensures it blends smoothly into the soup. Finally, gently stir the dissolved miso into the pot. It's crucial not to boil the soup after adding the miso, as high heat can destroy its delicate flavor and beneficial probiotics. Serve your delicious, homemade miso soup immediately. Garnish with fresh sliced scallions or a dash of shichimi pepper for an extra kick. Enjoy this warm, comforting bowl as a light meal or a perfect accompaniment to any dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.